बहुत तकलीफ होती है जब आप योग्य हो और लोग आपकी योग्यता ना पहचाने।
Jasjeet Singh Gill, aka Jimmy Shergill, is a name we all know. An actor who can do varied types of roles ranging from an emotional cab driver in Lage Rao Munna Bhai to a gangster in Rangbaaz Phir Se. He can even play a single type of role in two different types. A quirky gangster in Tanu Eds Manu and a deadly gangster in Rangbaaz Phir Se. Jimmy Shergill made his debut with 1996 film Matches, which was directed by Gulzar, and the movie even went on to winning two National Film Awards. He essayed the role of Jamal Singh, nicknamed Jimmy. Interestingly, after the film, he was started to be known as Jimmy, whereas his real name in the credits of movie Matches came as Jasjeet Shergill. He did not bother much changing the name as his nickname was Jimmy already. He then starred in Mohabbatein and Dil Vil Pyar Vyar, with both the roles quite similar to each other. Mere Yaar Ki Shaadi Hai started his role of a guy where he was always left by a girl for another hero. This was then repeated again to haunt him in Tannu Weds Manu Returns, Happy Bhag Jayegi, and many more movies.
साले को ओरिजिनल भी यही रखेंगे, डुप्लीकेट भी यही।
This will make you feel for him even if it is a movie. Jimmy Shergill is a proper hero material. He can act brilliantly, as we all know, and he is smart too. His moustache look in Tannu Weds Manu Returns was damn good, but having all the qualities of a lead actor, he appeared mostly as second lead. Yes, he is an established famous actor in Punjab, but he deserved more roles in Bollywood too. He made his mark in whichever movie he appeared. His small cameos in both the Munna Bhai movies became cult. He makes you cry in both the movies. As much as he is powerful in emotional scenes, he is great in comedy too. His roles in Tanu Weds Manu Returns, Happy Bhag Jayegi, and Happy Fir Bhag Jayegi justifies my statement. He is gifted with a superb comic timing.
अगर तू गिल है ना, तो मैं शेर गिल हूँ।
He can even make simple dialogues sound so funny with his dialogue delivery. Take this scene from Tanu Weds Manu Returns.
यहाँ एक बार घोड़ी पे चढ़ना नसीब नहीं हुआ, ये साले को घोड़ी पे घूम रहे तब से।
He just kills it in this scene and shows his capability as an actor. And he'll also make you feel for Raja Avasthi, who's getting left by these two girls in Tanu Weds Manu and its sequel for one and only reason, Ram Madhavan as Manu. Among all his great roles, if you ask me my favorite, it's gotta be Raja Avasthi. I recently watched Jimmy in Rangbaaz Phir Se, where he plays the role of a gangster and is the main lead of the web series. These roles played by him make me think, why isn't he present in more Bollywood movies? He has that boy next door charisma with him. His looks also symbolizes him as a decent and plain man, but this simple man will be left by almost all his heroines for guys like Uday Chopra.
बुरा लगता है भाई, आप लोग भी जानते हो यार।
I consider Jimmy a crowd puller, and I mean it. His simple personality is what makes me a fan of him.
ना मैं तो फैन हो गया जी आपका।
A good actor with smart looks. Isn't this what a director search in his main lead actor? But not for Jimmy Shergill, as majority of his roles were of second lead. There's no problem with directors giving Jimmy a second lead, as he can ace that, an act which he has done many a times. But at least give him some more well-written roles, not just any role with poor writing. If he can make such an impact in side roles, imagine him as a main protagonist of a film. I consider Jimmy as underrated because although he appeared in many movies, he could have appeared in many more. He is not underrated for his acting, as we all know of his acting prowess. He is underrated for his looks, as he can nail both the look of a clean shaven boy or a mustache laden man. He is underrated for his fitness, as he is 50 years old. Yes, even I got to know this when I searched for him today, and he looks like he is in his mid 30s. As a Bollywood fan and as Jimmy's fans, I want him to be given more good roles in Bollywood. And I want Anand L. Rai to make a solo film on the character of Raja Avasthi. That was all on Jimmy Shergill. If you liked the video, do smash that like. and comment down below if you think Jimmy Shergill is an underrated actor. Do share it with your friends and family and subscribe for more related content. Peace out.